Now remember not to do the torque with the, because it actually will rub your disc if you don't do the torque properly.
What are we doing today, Dylan?
Got to fit up the front end and all the cooling. And finish most of it, I think. Good day.
That's as good as I can drift.
There we go. Interview him while he's eating. So we're all done for the day?
Yeah, boy.
So what do we do today?
Eating burgers. Put all the fenders on, side skirts, whole front end, all the cooling on, and then just made everything latch nice.
Someone put the boot latch on backwards. Look how much different that looks. All the cooling in, radiator, oil cooler, intercooler, boot latches, door latches, stuff like that. So I think next time we're here, we're doing the rims. We're meant to do the rims this time, but someone else is using the spray booth, so we'll do the rims next week, I think. It's coming along so nicely. Oh, what burgers he got now?
Just a little hamburger nut.
Oh, I think the dog wants some.
Smoking sauce, bro.
And with that, we'll see you guys next week.